Welcome to Global Domains International, and congratulations! You are about to join countless thousands of real people in more than 180 countries worldwide who are living their dreams and building their own income for life. Whether you would like to earn an extra $1,000 a month, $1,000 a week, or a long-term six-figure income, you are about to be presented with the tools you'll need to turn that desire into reality. In fact, if you can simply hand someone a copy of this video, or even send them a short email which invites them to view this video online, then you have everything it takes to be successful in this business. You see, in this short video, we will quickly explain how you can leverage the power of duplication to provide a solid and dependable lifelong income for yourself that has the potential to grow with each passing month. In a moment, we'll explain how you can partner today with one of the fastest growing companies on the planet with no investment or risk whatsoever. We will not ask you to invest a single penny, or peso, or euro, yen, or franc. And frankly, those are just some of the reasons why this fantastic income opportunity is spreading like wildfire worldwide. So sit back and relax. What you're about to see and hear has the potential to change your life for the better forever, if you want it to. Our company is Global Domains International, or GDI, and we were recently ranked number 37 on Inc. magazine's list of the top 500 fastest growing companies in the USA. Our founders have also been featured in Entrepreneur magazine and the covers of the business sections of major USA newspapers. Some of the world's largest and most respected companies have become our clients. You might recognize some of them. Recently, our internet website activity has surpassed the traffic rankings of some of the world's largest corporate giants, including AT&T, Visa, and General Electric, as rated by the premier website traffic ranking service, Alexa.com. What does all this mean to you? It means that you have the opportunity to become partners with a well-founded, well-grounded, money-generating company that will change your life forever.